Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to import content manually, and this is a great tool for when the automatic import doesn't work for some reason, and you want to get some content in. Then we provided this tool called Import Manually, which enables you to get the content in and still enables us to format it and create a really good book for you. So essentially click on Import Manually and you get this window here. Okay, and you're probably on this window already. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a post, and so here is a blog post, and the way I do this is, first of all, I go to the raw content first, okay, and I click at the beginning and select, so I can select all this content, and I scroll all the way down to the bottom until I can just get just the post content. Okay, so here's the end here, and I'm going to just finish there. Okay, so I've selected all that content now, and so now I just need to do copy and paste. So I either use Control-C or Command-C or right-click and click on copy, go into Designer, and in the content here where it says paste your content in, then I just literally paste it in there. Okay, so all the content's just gone in, and you'll see the images have come in, everything's in there all ready to go. And lastly, obviously, I need the title, okay, to go in there. So I'm just going to put a little space there. I'm going to go back to my post and scroll back up to the top, and then I'm going to grab the title here. And again, I'm going to do a Control-C and paste that in there. And the next thing, actually, I'm just going to get that image and put that in there as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do then, this image here, I'm just going to go to the end of the image and sort of push my mouse backwards so I can highlight it like that, and then do another copy and copy that in. Okay, so go back to Designer and click on paste. Oh, did it wrong. Let me just do that again. Command-C, and then paste, and in comes the image. Okay, so that's all ready to go. The last thing I just need to do is to put my title. So in fact the title for this is the same as what I've got there, so I'm going to just put the title in there, but it can be different, if you want to put in a different title. And then I'm just going to grab the URL and put that in as well, and the reason for that is so that all the backlinks and calls to action work for me. Okay, now if anything goes wrong here, perhaps something gets out of format, or perhaps you've got an advert in there and you want to change it, then there is a source code tool here, so you can view the source code if you really, if you're an advanced user and you want to change something, then you can do that just there. Okay, but let's assume all my post is in there and I'm happy with it. Then all I need to do is click on next, and then it will ask me for the template to paste it into. So I'm just going to choose Sydney, and now I'm going to give a name for the project. So let's call it Kidani Manual Post, and click on Create. So now it's going to paste all that content into the project for me and then do all the formatting as normal. Okay, so first of all, there's the title pulled in. Okay, and then if I scroll down, see my header's gone in automatically. There's the image at the top, the title, and you'll notice everything's been reformatted according to the style. Okay, and the style within Designer. So I'm pretty much all ready to go. And again, if I need to change the style quickly, I can just go to Themes over here on the left, and I can just choose a different style. So if I click on this one, then everything changes. Okay, it changes to the light grey. So this is a great way of getting content into the editor. Okay, now I just want to show you one other way of doing that once you've got your post in there. Now once I've got my content in there, and if I want to put in another post, okay, another article, then you can do the same thing with the insert or the new article here. Okay, so basically all I need to do is drag in again my new article. So this is my second article that's going to go in, and it will ask me for the URL as before, but this time I'm going to import manually. Okay, so I click on the import and that same box appears. Okay, so for example, I can go to a different post here and click on, my second post and pull that in. Okay, so let's take this one, for example, and I'm just going to do the same thing again. Okay, except this time I'm not going to pull in all the posts, I'm just going to pull in a little bit just to save time. So I'm just going to copy that, put that in here. Okay, and maybe we'll just do the image as well. Command C and paste. Okay, and then I'm not going to, for this one, I'm not going to put a title and a URL because I just want to add it into my same document. So I just click on next, and in it comes. Okay, so there's the picture, and there's the content I've just pulled in. Okay, now you'll notice because it treats this as a new post, then because I didn't give it a title, okay, then it just puts new project in here. Okay, and if I scroll down to here, it doesn't put in the footer, okay, because I didn't put the links in. All right, but these are still all here, and I could copy these and use the same ones. Okay, so I think you'll find that's a very powerful way to get content into your editor.